Do you know that according to both our Dean and modern science, your 20s are the years that shape your destiny? Zunera was an intelligent girl, then why did she fail? Why did peace disappear from her prayers, and why did her career come to a halt? What were those 7 mistakes that took away her Noor? Today's story is for every young person who feels lost on their path. This is the story of Zunera. Zunera was intelligent, ambitious, and full of energy. But in the rush of her 20s, she made the same mistakes that many of us make without realizing their long-term impact. When she turned 30 and looked back, she finally understood how 7 mistakes had silently blocked her growth. The beginning, a dream and some negligence. Zunera lived in Lucknow. After graduation, she joined an MNC. She had time, energy, and big dreams. But the intoxication of the 20s makes a person believe there is plenty of time. That belief became her first mistake. Mistake 1: Procrastination and living on tomorrow. Zunera often thought, I'm only 22. I have my whole life to build my career. Instead of improving her skills, she spent her time on social media and meaningless distractions. Non-spiritual impact. She skipped certifications that could have made her a manager by the age of 25. Spiritual impact. She kept postponing her prayers and Quran. I'll start properly tomorrow. Her spiritual connection slowly weakened. Mistake 2: Chasing worldly glitter and wealth. Zunera saw her friends wearing expensive brands and living flashy lifestyles. She spent 80% of her salary on clothes and eating out, with no investments at all. The reality: instead of building assets, she collected liabilities. At 30, she had 0 savings. In Islamic terms, she made israf, wastefulness, her habit. Mistake 3: Wrong company, toxic social circle. Her friends loved gossip and parties. Whenever she talked about growth, they said, relax, enjoy life. Lesson: the Prophet said that a person follows the religion and mindset of their close friends. Zunera chose people who kept her in ghafla, heedlessness, instead of guiding her toward peace. The turning point: when awareness hit. At 27, Zunera's health started declining. Stress became constant. That's when she realized 2 more serious mistakes. Mistake 4: Neglecting health, the trust of the body. Late nights, junk food, no exercise. Deep insight. Our body is an amana, trust, from Allah. By neglecting it, Zunera's energy at 30 felt like that of a 50-year-old woman. Mistake 5: Arrogance in relationships. In the race for success, she stopped giving time to her parents and old friends. She believed she was self-made. Spiritual loss. She broke family ties. When hardship came, she had no shoulder to cry on. The final phase: standing at the door of 30. Looking into the mirror one day, Zunera noticed something missing. The Noor that comes from inner peace. That's when she recognized the last 2 mistakes. Mistake 6: Being stuck in the past. She kept reliving old failures and heartbreaks. She fell into self-pity. Correction: despairing of Allah's mercy is itself a sin. Clinging to the past blocks the future. Mistake 7: No purpose of life. The biggest mistake of all. She never asked why she existed. She became a machine. Earn, spend, repeat. No preparation for the hereafter. No higher purpose. Zunera's return, repentance at 30. At 30, Zunera made a life-changing decision. She performed repentance and restructured her entire life. She understood. Lost time never returns, but wasting the remaining time is an even bigger loss. She turned her tears into repentance and made 2 powerful choices. She connected her heart to Allah through prayer and remembrance, transforming stress into sakina, peace. She gave up wasteful spending, focused on halal income, savings, and made serving her parents the foundation of her success. Zunera was no longer moving backward at 30. She was walking toward a peaceful, purpose-driven life. She proved that the power of Tawbah can pull a person out of any failure. She made istighfar her shield. She began saving money and giving sadaqah. She learned that mistakes made in your 20s may delay life, but awareness opens doors Allah never closes. Dear sister, remember, Deen and Dunya are not two separate paths, they are two sides of the same road. If you don't value your time today, ignore your health, and weaken your connection with Allah, then at the door of 30, only regret will be waiting. Making mistakes is not failure. Staying lost after realizing them is. You still have time. Wake up. Recognize your purpose. Keep istighfar on your tongue. Make effort your habit. If Zunera's story knocked on your heart, share this message. And tell us in the comments. Which one of these 7 mistakes will you start correcting today?